If you're familiar with this, your flagship product is a hit, orders are pouring in, and then patatras. Out of stock. The result? Disappointed customers, falling reviews, a frozen marketplace account, and lost sales. The principle is clear. You define a minimum stock threshold for each of your products. As soon as an item falls below this threshold, you receive an automatic notification. As a result, you know when to restock, you always keep your products available, and you continue to honor your orders. You can choose how often you want to receive notifications: daily, weekly, and to whom in the team. In short, you're in total control. Let's take a concrete example. You're selling a jacket that's in high demand, and you set a threshold of 50 units. The day there are only 49 jackets left, you receive an alert. You contact your supplier, restart production, or place an order and avoid stockouts. As a result, your product stays online. Your customers are satisfied and your sales continue to grow. With Shippingbo, you can set different thresholds for each reference. A bestseller can't be managed like a seasonal item. And you can use historical data to go even further, for example, to anticipate sales peaks. Prepare for promotions or sales, or avoid overstocking and unsold items. In short, you're no longer a victim, you're a driver. Let's talk about direct benefits. With stock alerts, you save an incredible amount of time. No more manual checking, you reduce the risk of stockouts, you maintain your rating on marketplaces, and you plan your supplies with peace of mind, all without effort. With Shippingbo, you're no longer chasing problems. You're always one step ahead. So, are you ready to say goodbye to lost sales due to poorly managed stock?